Facebook has hit the refresh button and your app is about to look completely different. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Meta is rolling out a slick new interface packed with visual changes, faster navigation, and tools that feel far more like Instagram. The update will make Facebook cleaner, quicker, and more addictive. One of the biggest changes is the brand new grid layout. Search results now pop up in neat squares instead of long lists, and posting multiple photos will also arrange them in a sharp, gallery-style grid. No more endless scrolling because now everything is laid out for instant viewing. And yes, you can now double tap to like photos in your feed, bringing one of Instagram's most loved gestures straight into Facebook territory. Tap a photo and it instantly jumps to full screen, giving the whole platform a more modern, immersive feel. Navigation is also getting a major shake-up too. Soon you'll see the main tabs like Home, Reels, Friends, Marketplace, Notifications, and Profile move to the bottom of your screen, exactly where your thumb wants them. Meta is also testing smarter discovery. Update your interests, maybe you're suddenly obsessed with sourdough or planning a trip, and Facebook will start suggesting friends with the same passions. You still control what shows on your profile, but the recommendations will feel far more personal. Content creation is getting a makeover too. Popular tools like adding music or tagging friends are being moved to more clear spots so you don't have to hunt for them anymore. With all this, Facebook is reinventing itself by borrowing the best from its rivals and aiming to keep users glued to their screens. Are you excited for Facebook renovation? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.